Hi everyone, my name is Dimitris Papathomopoulos and I will be the instructor of this workshop. This workshop is about Amazon Web Services or AWS. AWS is the biggest cloud provider in the world. It's a very exciting technology that allows you to use those services as building blocks to create highly redundant, sophisticated, and highly available systems and applications. During the workshop, I will show you how you can open and set up your AWS account. We will go over the AWS global infrastructure that spans across different geographic regions across the planet and different availability zones. I will show you how to use the storage service, the Amazon S3, to organize your files in buckets and folders. And we will go over how you can actually deploy a Windows server, a Windows virtual machine on the cloud, and deploy a sample website. So I'm very excited about this workshop, and I look forward to seeing everyone on Monday, November 5 at 6:15 p.m. at Touro College. Thank you.